In today's video, we will learn which countries have no day and which countries have no night. There are several countries on Earth where this incredible phenomenon occurs. It is known as the midnight sun. Let's find out which countries experience this unusual event, why it happens, and how people live during this extraordinary time. ## Norway. Norway is one of the most famous countries where this phenomenon can be seen. It is also considered one of the most beautiful countries in the world. You may be surprised to know that from May until the end of July, the sun does not completely set for nearly 90 days. This happens because much of Norway lies within the Arctic Circle. During this period, many parts of the country enjoy sunlight for almost 20 hours a day. Even when the brightness decreases, the sun remains visible in the sky. Sweden is relatively warmer compared to many northern countries. For several months each year, daylight lasts much longer than usual. Although the sun dips close to the horizon around midnight, daylight returns again very early in the morning. During this season, people celebrate the famous Midsummer Festival. You can see people singing, socializing, and enjoying outdoor celebrations late into the night. In Finland, the sun does not fully disappear for around 70 days in some northern regions. Because of this, Finland is often called the land of the midnight sun. It is also known as the land of 1,000 lakes thanks to its countless lakes and natural beauty. Summer is considered the perfect time to visit the country, attracting large numbers of tourists every year. With daylight lasting for most of the day, many people sleep less and spend more time outdoors. Interestingly, the opposite happens during winter. For several months, the sun barely rises above the horizon, and darkness dominates much of the day. During this period, people spend far more time indoors. Iceland. Alaska is one of the largest states in the United States. It is a beautiful region known for its snow-covered landscapes and icy wilderness. From May to June, the sun never completely disappears below the horizon. Although there is a brief period that resembles night, true darkness never arrives. In some areas, the sun sets for only a short time and returns less than an hour later. For this reason, Alaska is also called the land of the midnight sun. However, winter brings the exact opposite phenomenon. For around 65 to 70 days, the sun may not rise at all. The region remains covered in darkness, a phenomenon known as the polar night. Why does this happen? Now let's understand the science behind it. The Earth is spherical and revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit. At the same time, Earth's axis is tilted by approximately 23.5 degrees. Because of this tilt, certain times of the year allow regions near the North Pole and South Pole to receive continuous sunlight for 24 hours a day. This is what creates the fascinating phenomenon known as the midnight sun.